The people are real. The cases are questionable. The rulings are definitely fake. These people have COVID-19 disputes. Both parties have agreed to drop their complaints and have their issues resolved remotely here in Kyla's court. They've submitted their disputes through our online forum for a resolution from Judgy Kyla. And now, here's Judgy Kyla. All rise. Kyla's court is now in session.
Thank you. Be seated. Today on Kyla's court, we're settling a very important dispute via Twitter. Steve Yanover at DigiK9 is concerned about what's happening in his province. He says the premier of my province is picking fights with doctors during a pandemic. There's many other issues, but let's start with this one. Well, Steve, I don't know what province you're from, but I can guess. And I would like to say to the premier of your province, who has mounted his defense in the media, let's say, that it's completely foolish to be picking a fight with a doctor during a pandemic, because if you get sick, who's going to look after you? A doctor. You don't want to alienate the only people that can help you if you end up sick. Secondly, while you're a premier, and I'm sure you've got lots of great expertise in politics and whatever else premiers do, I don't think they actually do that much other than politics. But whatever premiers do is probably stuff you're really good at. But unless you have a medical degree, stay out of the doctors' jobs. Doctors know what to do during pandemics. Premiers know how to govern. Those are two separate things, and right now we need to be listening to the doctors and stepping aside. It is a quality of good leadership to recognize who has the skill and talent and knowledge to fill a gap and to let those people come forward and to take control when it's appropriate. As a good leader, you would step aside, you would let the doctors do what they're supposed to do, and you would listen to the doctors. That's my ruling.
Tune in for another exciting episode of Kyla's Court.
Kyla's Court is not a real court. All submissions are the express property of Kyla Lee Heavy Industries and Lee Pharmaceuticals, a division of Lee Shipbuilding and Dredging.